In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize PDFs in Obsidian. We'll set up a clear folder structure and show a simple way to reference your PDFs from any note so your research and resources stay tidy and easy to find. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want to manage your documents. If you already have a structure, that's fine. You can still follow along and adapt this setup. Create a new folder in the File Explorer and name it PDFs. This will be the single home for every PDF-related item you keep in Obsidian. Keeping all PDFs and their references under one roof makes it much easier to search, link, and stay consistent across projects. Next, inside the PDFs folder, add a set of subfolders to categorize your materials. Create folders called Research, Articles, Tutorials, and Reference. Think of research for academic papers and studies, articles for blog posts and journalism, tutorials for how-to guides and step-by-steps, and reference for manuals, specs, and documentation you consult often. These categories are simple, memorable, and scale well as your collection grows. Now, go into the research folder and add a new note named deeplearning.pdf. Giving the note a .pdf style name makes it very clear what file it represents or points to. If you're tracking real PDF files alongside notes, this naming convention helps you keep the note and the file in sync. Use consistent capitalization and underscores instead of spaces to avoid path issues and to make links easier to type. With that in place, open any note where you want to record the source of your information. And type source PDFs research deep learning. PDF. This gives you a clean, human-readable path back to the document. Place it wherever it makes sense, at the top as a citation or at the bottom as a source line. The key is to be consistent. Small details like matching folder names exactly and keeping file names descriptive will save you time later. If you prefer clickable references, Obsidian supports linking when the path format matches your setup, so your source line can double as an easy jump back to the file or its note. That's it. You've created a central PDFs hub, organized it with 4 practical categories, added a clearly named note to represent a PDF, and recorded a simple source path you can reuse anywhere. This approach keeps your knowledge base clean, searchable, and scalable, so you spend less time hunting for documents and more time using them.